Let's start the dough making by adding 14 grams of extra virgin olive oil. It will be very important adding the oil at the very beginning before adding any water, because in this way it will be easier keeping the hydration, the total hydration, to 67%, so to 670 grams of liquids in total. Regarding water, it will be very important using water with a temperature around 25-26 degrees, usually the room temperature if your kitchen is not that cold. And this is because the chemical processes are actually starting at 25 and 26 degrees. Remember that your dough, the final temperature of your finalized dough, should be actually 25-26 degrees. Remember to remove any eventual water in excess before adding any sugar. The quantity of sugar is 14 grams as per the oil, and this is very important because both oil and sugar are used to boost somehow the fermentation and also to have the brownish color typical of a pizza cooked in a wood-fired oven. So let's melt everything together and make sure that don't feel any sugar under your fingers. And after that, you can add the yeast. In my case, for my convenience, I'm using some sourdough starter because my precision scale can't really measure so precisely.